Hello everyone. So welcome to my channel Creamy Code. I'm Palvinder Kaur, software developer and tester by profession, and I am here to make you fall in love with coding. So I am starting here with Node.js today. We will start with some basic understanding of Node and let's get started. Okay. So I will just give a basic introduction to the Node. Node.js is an open source framework and was developed by Ryan Dahel in 2009. Normally, JavaScript only runs in the browser but cannot run on the machine. So Node.js allows us to run the JavaScript on machine. It can handle HTTP requests and send files also. It helps us to use JavaScript on server. Other benefits are like it supports asynchronous programming. So server can now handle several requests at a time. It can also help us for doing CRUD operations on files, on server and also databases. It supports dynamic content rendering and collection of form data from web page. It is based on a single thread mechanism with event looping, which is why it is able to handle multiple requests. So we will move on to a basic setup of Node.js, how we need to do on our system. Like we can visit this site nodejs.org and I will just try to show it to you. Okay. I'm facing some network issues. Okay. So we can download this Node.js from the site and we will work on RPL terminal using Node.js. I have already downloaded this and here is my terminal. So the basic commands that we use here are these ones. So dot break is for getting us out of a stuck situation. Dot clear is like dot break only. Dot editor is for allowing us to work in editor mode. Dot exit is to exit this session. Dot help is for learning about these commands. Dot load and dot save are for interacting with the file and session. Means like we can save this session to a file and we can load this file to an RPL session. And other functions that we can do in RPL is like just start with the basic, very basic is if I want to do addition, yes, I can do. If I want to do this arithmetic, I can do. Let's get some complex. We can do this. We can do this. And I can do this. So here is the sum. Okay, let's do with set. Okay, that is not defined, so we will just give this set. Okay, there is one interesting element in Node.js that is underscore. It prints the recent value on this session, so which is 9. So if there is some value that we missed, we can print it using underscore. Suppose I wanted to capture the last value in some other variables, like I can do using underscore. Okay, and I can do further calculations on the same too. Like if I want to add something to the last value, I can. Interesting, right? So let's be little do complex coding. So I'll create one server using this. Just a second. I'll just connect my system to other network. So basically we are creating server, so we need to test it using some network source. So I have just changed my network. So now I will create one server. These are the variables I will use to create my server. It is working like an IDE, helping me with values. These three dots says that this code is in continuity with the previous code. It will be not considered something as a different from it. Or just viewers for now. Sorry. Okay, we just made some mistake. Okay, due to some coding mistake, we have just come out of that. So we will need to create the server again, I think. HTTP create server. Okay, again we made the same mistake. Good, I checked this time. So we have created the server. Now we will just, okay, we will listen to the server on the port and the host name that we have defined. So I think it is fine. So we'll just move on to our browser to see if it is working. Okay, I'll just add. Okay, so I'll just try to open this HTTP localhost, and this is here. Okay, so we got this message, right? Happy lovely viewers and subscribers. So this was it, guys, for the day. Hope you loved my session and would like to see more. Please let me know in below in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe if you are interested. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a lovely day.